Some recommended tools to have on hand while servicing your B1xA, B1xA boiler are a bucket. Plastic bags can be used to shield the boiler control from spilled water during servicing. Non-abrasive nylon brushes. Spray bottle. Vitodens toolkit. Vitodens cleaning tool. And CitraSurf. CitraSurf is the only chemical recommended by Viessmann for cleaning the heat exchanger. The Vitodens cleaning tool is used for clearing and cleaning the passes between the heat exchanger coils. The Vitodens toolkit contains most of the tools needed for servicing a Viessmann boiler. Before servicing the boiler, be sure to isolate any electrical, water, or gas connected to the unit. Loosen boiler cover retaining screws. To remove the burner assembly, we must first remove all electrical connectors. We'll start by removing two connectors on the radial fan, a connector on the gas valve, the ignition cable, and ground straps. Next, we'll remove the gas line connection. Be sure to retain the fuel connection pipe gasket. Next, we will remove the 4 Torx head screws to gain access to the heat exchanger. Inspect the gas valve inlet screen for debris. Next, lay the burner assembly on a flat level surface. Be sure to inspect the electrode gap. Remove the rear refractory before cleaning the heat exchanger. Use water and or CitraSurf as needed to clean the heat exchanger. Be sure to flush the heat exchanger with water. Once you are done cleaning the heat exchanger, reinstall the rear refractory and burner assembly. Reinstall fuel connection pipe and gasket as well as all electrical connectors. Be sure to clean and flush the condensate trap. Once service has been completed, perform a combustion analysis utilizing the flue port on the vent pipe adapter located on top of the boiler.